Yo, let's just jump straight in some big up and big up some people. So me ask a Wriggle, now the last one, the Wriggle was, what is dirty when it's white and clean when it's black? The answer is a chalkboard, obviously, a chalkboard. Chalkboard in a school, you know? Chalkboard, yeah. So let me just big up some of the people who got it right at random. So the first person was Roger Hewitt. Me hope I'm saying name right. Roger Hewitt. DJ Sauce Mixtape Music, big up yourself, G. Quincy, big up yourself. The boy August. That name the media have to kind of broke it down and me see the boy August tonight. Let me just say, oh, the boy August, big up yourself. Emmanuel Scott, big up yourself, dog. Tamika Ellis, big up yourself. Jacqueline Campbell, big up yourself. Jaheim Hepburns, big up yourself. Deshaun Graham, big up yourself. Last but not least, Neon Foster, big up yourself, big up yourself. And respect to everybody else who got it right, but you don't know, so we just shout out the first 10. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Real Life Mods. So as you can see from the thumbnail, you don't know what it is already. You're like, we are gonna get in a trouble and go to prison, and then we have some things we start out in a prison. But before we do that, I'm gonna buy some gas. Me gonna get some gas. What me I get gas for? I like say, me I gonna really need my car anyway. Like because me I go to prison though. So what me I get gas for? But this I get gas for showing us so me can get gas now. Show off. So I'm gonna install a gas mod. Yo, that be my look nice. Look here, like it's so much details tonight, and there's so much more details can go in it. Oh, whenever that look. Sorry. Oh, come in, scare me. I crash it on the mashed up, man. If you don't like the color, other carrier make me know. So all you have to do, what go on, baby? All you have to do, come here so and just press it on, and you see the gas tank full up there, so full up. Boop. Okay, full up. All right. So what we need now is 1 star half away. So I could go thump up some people over here, so, and see if we can get a 1 star. Oi! Come on, forward. Where wanna go? Run, boy. Where look at me? You're not run too. You're not afraid of me? No. Run for me thumping up. Alright, 1 star after me now. So we have a score of prison we circle with a boy where they did this thing from them time. They go hold him and block him up. You see me? Can I tell him say anywhere in there and I go find him. You see me? So make it just wait for them police have to come, cause anyway that boy them I go find him and line him. Alright, see them I come. No, don't kill me, just arrest me. Arrest me, see there? Arrested. That ain't real. See? So right now, look. Me not control it. So I wanna come back the car, so the car is stuck, idiot. The car don't move. But I'm gonna put me in a different car. When a big and full like. Yo, what is? Yo, the car don't move. People. A joke. Them a carry me go, which part them a carry me go? Them a carry me go to prison. So me can either press E and sit out the drive, which one probably I go do, or probably I go just press E later on. But yeah, we just want to take the time out to big up everybody who has support the channel, who has support me. Big up JWG Nation, big up yourself Agseed, big up yourself Ninja Tropics, big up on yourself. You see me? Big up everybody who has taken part in the video. Big up everybody who has taken part and answering the wriggles. Big up everybody where there's a support the channel and like. And also big up the one person who dislike. Yeah, the odd one out. Big up yourself. You mean a lot because you make me keep going. I understand? So yeah, big up everybody who there. But today, as you can see, yeah, I got prison for the first time. Yeah. So that boy I can't go to prison, which me no mind. Also, For the people that ask me about there's so much patrol up on the road. Watch out. I'm taking care. One police escort me. Anyway. People that ask me if you do mods. I'm not mods, roleplay, 5M roleplay online. I go do that soon, but me don't want to join 5M, I want to join Redline with Trait and them and what name? Elan P and them man. That one they look better than 5M to me. You understand? Yeah, so just to get used to this first, playing on the PC, then we can broaden my horizon. You understand? Yeah, big words, horizon, broaden me horizon.
Shut up your mouth, man.
So anyway, I could press E and jump straight into the prison. Actually, no, keep driving. Take in the scene, you know? You can't drive faster than that. You don't care bad man got prison and drive slow. I want to them people here. Eh? And also people, it's not every time you are going to see me on camera. Sometimes it doesn't feel to come on camera not at all. So sometimes you're not going to see me on camera. So don't worry on yourself. The G is here. I am still here. You can still hear my voice. That's what I want to used to. Not because I introduce camera to now, you go get cockatoo and go like say, you don't want to see camera every time. I don't say it work. You understand? I don't say it work. Sometimes I don't feel the move to the on the camera. I just want to do the thing and do the thing for us. So big up everybody who they are same way. You understand? And big up all the new people that are forward. Big up JNL for the shout out. Big up Kevin too, Crazy Dog. Big up yourself for send everybody over here. Big up Nitro. Big up Imani. You understand? Big up the whole of dog. Really appreciate you, brother. You see me? So yeah. Right now, the man camera got prison. Family from the prison. You can just hurry up and camera got prison and done. Eh? As you can see, I still install mod because I actually install the fuel mod. Yeah, I install that. I install the mod here today. I install the mod here today. So the first time I try it out, I don't know if you expect or what to do, but I go to prison. I go press E and go in prison. Press E and go in prison. Too much talking. So here we are. We're close to the the prison there. We're close to the prison. So we are gonna jump in and go see who in there will favor me when I want. Burn them skin. Loud. I think me should still have my gun them same way. I can't check yet. I can't do nothing yet. I not do nothing yet. So hopefully I have my gun them same way. I can either try to escape or start a riot. But something I go on. You can't look at the siren now, brother. Oh, your parks are close to the wall. Watch out, man, I'm about to hold that wall. Me still not control. Still not control. Man, I'm about to hold the wall. I want to say me can't drive. Look on the police there. Him for losing job. Alright. So see we are now. Oh, we have 19 minutes in a prison. Oh. 19 minutes in here. I'm going to circle the yard and see what I want. See if I know nobody when I'm in here. Oh, the brother over there by himself. I'm alone now. Alright. See if I can go to the gym. Yes, that as you can see from the thumbnail. Madness. So big up everybody who share the content. The channel will grow really fast, people. Really fast. Like really. How am I getting a place here? Where do they? Hold on, man. Don't go around us, man. I'm gonna show them boys so I can lift more weights than them. Cause them no body over me dog. Them no portion to body. Say how you get it? Know yourself. So I can lift my weight. Hey boy, nobody give man no chatting about leave shoes pan feet. Hey boy, no better no go and fund the lunch, you know. I want to know. You don't know, man? Eh? Yacht. Aye, oh you walk so like you in the dandada boy. Better me kill you. Me have my gun. Me not no gun. Okay. Alright, me not no gun. But it's alright. It's alright. Go over here, sir. Go see which gangs over here, sir. Tell them again. Family come fuck. Reggie, what you doing there, brother?
I'm getting tired of slanging this shit.
Reggie, what you doing here?
Got beef, son?
Nope. Banana.
Yo, chill.
Who want it? Who wants some? Ready? Reggie, you want my money? I never pay me from out there now. I know yourself. We soon forward back for you. I know yourself. Yo, the man, them in a man in a prison. Watch your dog. Man, them boy, you group up. One thing though. I like how the Mexican them a chill with the black and the black them a chill with the white. I like how everybody unite. I like how everybody unite. And you know? They like that. They like that. They like that. They like that. Trash. When I been? Man, I don't put nothing in a bin, dog. One thing though, the prison yard clean like Jesus police record. Prison yard clean like a done spit the book in a high school. Oh, nothing right in there. What go on, brother? Thing good? When they pack it, brother? Oh, them police are moved, sir. Yo, how so long me have in there, brother? Clock I go down slow, dog. I'm just fouled in on my board already. Where? I bet I'm kill off the wall now where I chat off on the mouth. Where G there? Hold on there. Hold on there, man. Who are run the prison? Who are run the prison? Who are run the prison here? Who are running here now? Because I know there's not no guard that running here now. Where G them there, dog? Me, I go kill you. Watch your face. I got dead in a boy. I got dead in a...
Why you forget?
Keep your phones in the not even repeat that. That not sound good. Why you forget? Alright. That brother just stand out. What is he about? What you did it, brother? I go on my J. Sister, you get the door. E to escape. Why? Riot more and riot man. Ready? Where them there? Where them there? Kill them boy ya. Ready? Warrior go on. Warrior go on. Oh, don't shoot the prison. Don't shoot the prison guard. Warrior go on. Me set off war in your people. Warrior go on. Warrior go on. Luga get the blame. Quick for murder one, but every man get the same. Hey, I want to go for them and no like we shame. Go in front of the judge, tell them a badness sit name. What if a man get the TN? Everybody there ready? One of there. Pussy nas land time. No come put me in a solitary confinement now. No, no safe. One of there. Everybody there. Everybody have gone now in a dog. Are we run? Me tell them, I'm gonna kill them now. Them feel it's a joke. Chanua. Go in front of the judge, tell them a badness sit name. What if you change if a man get the TN? How can them remain? You dead, me Jay? Or yourself? Or yourself? Up nice. Go down the middle. E. Try to escape that prison here. Oh, police. Oh, police after me. Alright, I have some guns. Take that one here. Ready. Oh, I never meant to kill a dog. Oh, shit, I never meant to kill her. Me kill when I get me kill when I prison them people. Hush me G. Alright, here we go on. May I go come at your funeral? So make sure say when I meet that you come back at my funeral, yeah? Yeah. Watch it tonight. May I have an next wriggle for ask another one as well, people. If me a shout up because my headphone loud in my ears, you understand? May have a new, well, not a new headphone. Me put in a headphone where good, you see me? Oh, no, helicopter. Oh, yo. No self. Escape out of this. Where you there? Know yourself. Calm down. Know yourself, boy. Boy! Never even done my time. I'm dead in a prison. Some people are back in a prison now. I take out. Yo, every prison guard run gun left me. Cause me are the ringleader. So I'm back in a prison. I can't come out here. So. Yeah, go through this, sir. Oh, what am I gonna cage for? You idiot? Stretch over legs, 20 a cell. What am I talking about? Stretch legs and 20 a cell. God go with them and that. Me not go with those and die. Them good. But stretch legs and 20 a cell. That don't make no sense, brother. Then that tower. Oh, no come now? No, no self. Oh, no there. Rooftop me there pan. Me roof there pan rooftop in a brother. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. I go try to find them helicopter there. No, oh no. Know yourself. Not that one I do, come I go blow it up. What is? Know yourself. Them dead?
You're dead!
Yeah, them dead. Brother, you not help me. You not pay the brother. You not help me. You not man or mouse, eh? You not help me. Hey boy. Me give one of them laser. Hey boy, you not help me. Eh? What you do here, sir? Lift up. Know yourself. Know, hey boy, what you do here, sir? Eh? Me watch you now. Know yourself. See me, huh? Come for up. What you miss? What you miss? Alright, give him one name. Know yourself. Bright your face out of order and stink you be. I don't like on the style. You can't put nobody in a solitary. Put yourself in a solitary, idiot. Know yourself. If you escape the prison, you know. How me can escape? Chopper. Me just watch it now, brother. Lays up the thing again. Know your... That miss. Okay, too far. Watch it. Know yourself. Lift out. Run out. Oh. Alright, you don't want some? Where you go? Where you go? Not Tarzan. Not swing pan rope board. Lift out. Left the area before me clear the area. What I'm doing now? Bad, my bad. No, no self. Deaf? Ugly like on it, ref. Alright, get us man a gun you now. What it look alright? Yeah. Gun them down, gun them down, gun them down, gun them down. Oh, which one? Know yourself. Lift out. You know if you land on a helicopter in a pilot, so we can take it and lift yourself now. Pilot boy. Pilot boy. Pilot boy. Get a first person and try to deal with it. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Huh? Know yourself. Where you go? No, come down here. No, come down here. No, come down here. Ah! Drop like a bad bit, boy. Know yourself, boy. Know yourself, boy. No send nobody down here, man. Nobody not to come down here. Who else send people down here? Nobody not come down here. 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 Know yourself. Know yourself. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Oh, I'm torn up. Bad, my bad. Ask the public. Load. Yo. 5 star in a body. 5 star in a. If I gun this over here, sir. Them drop gun and left gun for me. Thank you. You can't test me, man. One shot me again in your belly. You know that? Eh? Alright, take one more. Know yourself. Punch blood up on the ground. Not helicopter on the land and drop. Nobody does that, sir. If you don't want to come land, you come land, man. I'm told now. Know yourself. Know yourself. Alright, there, sir. Oh, no. Somebody land. How them can escape with it? Oh, right there. Yeah, them land. Take the helicopter. Oh, kill him. Landing them. Oh, God. What that? Alright, come on, that first person. Alright, here I go on now. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. If you not wonder why I put myself in a God mode, because I go there too easy if not, because I don't really have no cover if I take cover for shoot them warriors. So I'm in a God mode, so I can't dead. That's why. So for those who are wonder, I don't know gonna fit in the comment section. Land on a helicopter them again, man. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Want try escape. That want try though. Land. Yeah man, land. Watcha! Don't damage it, me go want it. Don't damage it, me go want it. I can shoot the pilot. Stay there now. Don't damage it, me go want. Oh, watch it, me go from God mode, boy. You can't kill me. Wait, pilot, shoot the pilot first. Yeah, pilot dead. Watch it now. Alright, I'm getting a chopper now. Lift out. The man shoot me down now. Oh, no. Oh, me dead. Ah! That don't make no sense. Repair the helicopter here, quick and fast. Alright, vehicle fix. Me can try escape now. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please also subscribe around here. If you're new, let me know say you like the video. Yeah, me have to try escape them boy. Yeah. Run left them, run. Boy, them are forward now. Yo. Across the breeze. Oh, that. And chat. Oh, what? I know one police one that though. How do we can land and take one of them boat there? Nah, I'm not chancing. Me a flash. I'm good. I'm outside. Me a go down. Oh! Fix. We just fixed a while ago. Please, dog. It's in a God mode. So what not? Oh, why? Yeah. Oh God. Where the police are come from? Where no come from? Eh? Where no come from? I'm gonna try to thief one of them car and try to escape. And try to watch it. Excuse me. Coming through. Yeah, none of the time about it. Alright, so I'm gonna try head for the tunnel them. Police car full of gas, which is good. I'm gonna try head for the tunnel and try. Watch it! Oh, you never that look. Oh. Ah! Jonathan? Yeah. Watch it! Know yourself. I need to action a wriggle to do. Yeah, I'm going to action a wriggle in a second. Oh! Up there. Need a faster car than this, you know. Need a faster police car than this, you know. You know what? Watch it now, man. I'm coming out of my way, man. I saw this here, man. Lick him out. Alright, road to freedom. Is the police car that? No? Oh. Freedom! Uh-oh. Look at them put roadblock, man. Look at them put roadblock. Alright, here I go on now. I'm going to take myself out of God mode now. Make it harder for me, you understand? Hold on there. I try to do my thing one time. Okay, half a God mode. Disable, okay. Okay, alright. Me can dead now, people. Alright, I'm gonna try to fix my vehicle. Vehicle option, fix. Alright, cool. Oh! We need the next car now. The car too big and slow now. Oh, look there, people. May I escape from them? I escape them. The flash. One of them can escape them before we reach on this one. Oh, somebody come. The fast car now by sir. No fast. I'm big man there. Oh! Light post there, sir. Light post. And police carry this. Sure. Come on, you know, man. So me half a god more now, people. Me candid. I candid. So me don't think so me a cheat all the while. Me just stick up on God mode for lift up from this, from the prison. Oh, me nearly dead enough. Oh, so that carry would have been nice right now. No on yourself. Uh-oh. Wagwan. 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 Man, no, Wagwan a while ago. Them kill me. Them kill me. Alright, I'm change back and I'm close then. Alright, people, wriggle time now. Wriggle time. I'm out of prison. The police, them just killed me a while ago. We need to get some gas. But I'm going to ask you now, wriggle here. No. Wriggle by this. Wriggle by that. Guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. What? Have a neck but no head. I have a neck but I have no head. What am I? You understand? Yeah, I have a neck but I have no head. What am I? Answer the wriggle for me. And only I go get no wriggle, no shout out in the next one where I come, because as me done finish record the one, I go jump on the next one and record it straight away if you get it out of the way. So the one after that, yeah, go get it. You understand? Right now, I go buy some gas because gas time carry low. Oh yeah, so what have a neck and no head? Answer the one there for me. And only stop Google the thing, man. Just like I was saying before, me mash up my BMW. Wanna stop Google the thing. Just do it. Just do the thing properly, man. I want to know, man. I just look a fun way I have, man. Sure, not have to cheat and everything, man. Sure. You just speak and cheat, so. Sure. But yeah, what have a neck and no head? Like me say, only I get a shout out in the next one. But when I get it in the one after that, because I'm gonna record the one here. I'm gonna end this and then record the next one. You understand? Fill up my tank. Alright. Alright. I go fast with some police now. Who do you have to fast with? But also have the mods where if me I drive crazy and the police them see me, them can stop me. Oh, see it as we speak. See it there? See it there? Alright. Pull over and hear him I say. Pull over and hear him I say. Don't start shooting. Me stop, bro. Don't start shoot. If you shoot me, I go drive off. I'm gonna reverse and just run you over. Attempt to escape, surrender, or bribe authority. Attempt to escape. Know yourself. Know me? Know me? Phone number that grow me? Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Yellow sedan. Me soon change the color. Watch me out now. Watch it now. One button, I'm change color. Color change. White. Know yourself. White, me there. Oh, I'm tear. Know yourself. White. Alright. Drive now like my life depends on it. Drive, dog. Can't make them police hold me because I go back to prison. But then I tip with them and nah. Stop take picture and come help me get rid from them police. I can go in, sir. Oh, dead end. Oh. Dead end. You're going to dead end. You idiot. No sense. No sense. Man, a senseless killer. Heartless thriller. Watch it. Push boy. Police, I'm going up there, sir. Look at them, see me. Alright, chop it down there, sir. Go round him. Me I go round him. Oh. Chop it, yes, sir. Sorry, bro. Never me feel like a car this a while ago. Chop it through, yes, sir. Visual where? Stop tell lie, but not visual. Not two lies. Stop tell dispatch lie. I saw the wicked and lie. Eh? What there, sir? Oh, go in, sir. I'm coming now. Through the hospital. Why am I coming out so far? Police, what is up? Police always the hospital. Police are drive this, you know? Watch it, boy. Police are there. That's it. Watch it, boy. Bye. Later. Different color. Blue. Hello. Excuse me. Coming through.
Why you do it, John Croft?
No on yourself. No on yourself. No on yourself, Mr. Officer. No on yourself, Mr. Officer. No on yourself, Mr. Officer. Round there. Round there. Round there. Round there. Oh. Go pass up, go pass up. And then we can hide them round there, sir. Oh, they run there, sir. Can hide them? Can hide them? Chill my car color. Purple. I don't care no some mean, sir. I don't care no some mean, sir. None at all, brother. Last time. Last time. Last time. Last time. Yeah, last them. Last them. We lost them. We lost them. Oh that. Oh that. Oh that. Oh that. Oh that. Paper. This is where I'm gonna end the video. Remember, if you answer the regular members, so I'm gonna get a shout out on the next one because I'm gonna record it. I just press stop on the drop on the next one. So, big up on the save, right back up and share. If it can't be good, be lucky. If you're not good, for say, I don't know what it is, people. I'll see your faces in the next one. Peace.